Hello YouTube, Too Cool Stu. This is the first video for the snowstorm that's hit on February 15, 2014. It's the day after yesterday's snowstorm. If you didn't see those videos yet, just check them out. I'm assuming for the last 30 minutes it's snowing. I didn't notice it just now. I'm going to the store. And it looks like a winter wonderland, the snow coming down. It's like medium-sized flakes, medium to big. Come down pretty heavy right now, as you can see, and it's pretty windy too. It's like a nice winter storm. I like this type of weather, you know? It's real nice. A lot of people don't. I think it's something to enjoy. So we're expecting 4 to 8 inches, they said. Judging by the thickness of the snowflakes and it's sticking already. Looks like it's going to be more than 4. I don't think it's going to be 4 minimum. You know, it's below freezing right now. It is about 3 o'clock, so below freezing right now, you know definitely it's going to be snowing from now till later. I don't know when the storm's going to end. I'm going to do a video on the radar later. I have my gloves on, but you see from the snow here, it's pretty sticky. You know, if I even pick, yeah, wow, yeah, it's definitely sticky. Oh. Yeah, if I just pick up snow right here, like instantly sticks to each other. Yeah, it's definitely real sticky snow. I love this type of snow. It's sticking real good to the snow from other storms. So I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching YouTube. I'll be posting videos later on the storm. Make sure to stay tuned. The storm looks awesome. So, alright, bye YouTube.